Hello. What's up, madlang people? I'm just excited, guys, to share to you the patch that or tone that I just discovered again, as usual. It all started when I figure out the slash tone patch, and then it opened massive opportunity when I started with that patch. So I just recently finished the video about the audio slave like a stone, and I've used the patch, the slash patch that I did. I just added the whammy pedal. If you've watched my video on that audio slave song, the pedal chain there for slash was the first pedal from my left is the whammy, which is PDL-MNPIT. It's like pedal manpit. So I just changed that. I scrolled and looked for the wah-wah, and when I put the wah pedal there, which is wah 100, by accident that it was turned on, I just discovered a really nice sweet tone. So slash patch that we did, we added a wah pedal that is already on, and that's it. That's the sound that you're hearing. Okay, so I'll be moving to another video to show it to you exactly how I did it. Hello guys, this is how I did it. I've retained the MS drive. This is our slash tone again. So gain 100, tube 40, level 103. I didn't change this one, so if ever you've already copied this one, just use it, don't edit anything. And for those who are viewing this video, just look on my video about slash patch, and it's there how I made this one. Right, I just added the pedal, the wah 100, and in the pedal chain it was on the first one, and I don't think I edited anything here. So frequency 0, depth 40, level 100. As long as in the pedal chain it goes here. So you've got, this is the arrangement. You've got wah pedal, your MS drive, your amp, and then your plate reverb. And then because it's activated, what I did was this one, I put it on 0, so all the way up here, and then I pressed down a tiny bit just to have some wah-wah on it, because this one is totally like, the tone is totally back, and then I just put it just a tiny bit. That's how I achieved that tone. So there it is, guys, and as bonus, I'm just gonna share. I know a lot of you are already experts with the guitar and all that, but I'm still gonna be sharing this for the benefit of those who are new to the guitar or didn't know about it. Just like myself, I learn every day. I learn new stuff every day. So let's start with the toggle switch. This one, the three-way toggle switch. When it's on rhythm, there it is, it's this pickup. And then when it's on the middle position, both pickups. And then when it's on the treble, it's your bridge pickup. So when I'm playing, I put this one on the bridge, so it's on treble, and then the volume is halfway, around 5, 6 or up to 7, and then my tone is around 8 or 9. So bridge, this is the volume for my bridge, and then my rhythm or the neck pickup, this is the volume and tone. So the bottom two are for the bridge, the two up here for the neck pickup. Now the neck pickup, the volume is all the way up, the tone is between, so I put it on 0 and then just added 1 or 2, so that without stepping on the pedal, put it on treble, then I can do like rhythm. When I'm gonna play solo, put it up without stepping on the pedal, the volume is louder than compared with the bridge pickup. So, and it's also set, the tone is between 1 or 2, so that a warm tone. And that's it. No need to step on your pedal. Even if you don't have a pedal, you can use your amp and you can play, because you're just using the switch, the toggle switch, plus the tone is there already set for you. Hope that helps with those who are new to the guitar. And I also love this guitar now. I'm learning a lot with this SG. So I encourage you guys to support me. I got social media there. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Twitter, I'm on Instagram, and follow me, subscribe on my channel. I'll be posting more videos soon, and see you later.